Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about templates. So go ahead and click on the plus sign in the lower right hand corner, but instead of selecting blank template, you're going to click on beat template. Then select your world, select your series, and hit let's roll. These are the different templates you can select. Each one has hints and different ideas to help you get started with the typical story structure seen in each type of story. So once you get into the writer, you'll see all of the titles of the beats. And if you click on the beats bar and the three little dots on one of the beat cards, you'll see more information in the summary box. Now, if you would like to know more about the beats before you select which one you want to use, go ahead and go to Account Management. And there at the bottom, you'll see all of our FAQs, and you can click on the one called Beats Templates. And this just does a brief overview of each of the templates, so you can get an idea of which one you would like to use.